We are making some sweets!
Yay!
We are grinding the rice for the chakli. This is a Mangalorean style chakli. So we are making it out of rice and urad dal. Urad dal we just roasted into a powder and we add this half a coconut.
This one, and then we do something super cool. We make coconut milk. Whoa!
Now we mix the roasted urad dal powder to the rice paste that we ground.
Put it in here. Put some butter to make it all smooth.
Enia, as usual, does a very good job. Now Aji is helping Enia.
What is being made, Enia?
Sweets.
It's not a sweet, it's a savory thing. It's chakli.
Diven is making a squirrel. He has so much hair. Diven is invisible.
Now let's check out Enia's first attempt at shaping the chakli.
Stick it.
Ooh, that came out pretty good.
You need to keep it on medium heat and fry it till golden brown.
Chaklis are done. Nice golden brown color. Put it on some. Next batch goes in. And the process repeats. What have you done, Enia? Show us what you have done.
I made these large, cute squirrels. Made to make sure that they are touching, so that they're finally nice and together. Who did it better? You only made 4 on your plate. I made 6.
Quality.
And what is this tiny teeny one?
That thing broke. It just stopped coming out. It just broke.
Enia made all uniform.
That makes me the winner of Chakli. So I'm cutting up the coconut barfi. These are pieces. Actually, pretty tiny. Then I take it out. Put it in the split. I'm gonna try this small one. Very nice and coconutty. Hey guys, so today we're gonna make some more sweets. Yesterday we made 2. Follow me to the kitchen so we can start. So already some preparations. Which sweet are we gonna make?
We are making Shankar Pali, which is a sweet snack which is made during Diwali. The purpose flour, which we call maida, and I've taken 1/4 cup of semolina, which is we call rava, and then I have taken full fat milk 1 cup, 1 cup powdered sugar, and 3/4 cup ghee, melted ghee, not the hard.
These are the ingredients, and now the real cooking stuff. I am super happy. Like you see, as we are mixing like all the ingredients, I'm just very happy to be able to make all the sweets, and then like in the end we went around to the neighbors and gave the sweets to people, and everybody was happy. It's just like a very good time all together, Diwali, celebrating, eating sweets, and I'm so happy that this can be my first Diwali with Diven's family. Look, here we are frying and doing the final steps of this very nice dish. For you guys. Sugary? Very delicious. Sweet. Approved. Nice. We need to do this once in a while. And we will know when they're ready, because then they look brown like the one I just used. We're gonna make your favorite sour snack. You do like? Safe?
Yes. You have to make it like really good, else I'll be disappointed. So no pressure.
Really good. Will you show us the ingredients? Okay, back to the kitchen.
See, I oiled this. So you have to grease it.
Ingredients are garlic,
Basin, which is chickpea flour, and a little bit of rice powder, 1/4 cup, oil, and this is cumin. Those are turmeric, chili powder, asafoetida, and oregano and salt.
So this is our final snack that we are making for Diwali. We have all the ingredients. So the first thing is like sifting the flour to make it all airy, and then we will grind all the spices and garlic together, and then we mix the flour and the spices together till a nice paste. We're gonna do the Garlic Sev now. We're gonna fry it. Look how cool this is. The mold we are using makes all these little swiggling lines. That's it, guys.
Yeah.
Made food. Now it's a puja. For when the ends we made Shankar, Pali, coconut Barfi, Chakli, and Sav. Next week we're gonna go Dia and Rangoli shopping, and you're gonna see me make the Rangoli for the first time. So like this video and subscribe to see more of this.